Hi everyone, welcome to the Smash Our Stash 2021 collaboration hosted by Beth at Bourbon Creek Crafts and Fresh and Renewed with Teresa, obviously. So this month, we have a theme every month, but this month was our choice. And I really struggled because I just have so much stuff, and I was originally going to do altered dominoes, but I changed my mind kind of at the last minute because I procrastinated on this because I couldn't figure out what I wanted to do. And then I thought, you know what, I signed up for a swap for spring/Easter, and I signed up to do 2, but I need to do more. I actually need to do more than what I did, and this is for pocket letters. The sign up was with Megan W, who had been off YouTube for a while, and now she's back. So hi Megan, if you see this. Anyway, I also am on a mission to use up some collections, and I found I had a spring and an Easter collection. And the one that was open and used the most was Spring Garden, sorry for the glare, by Doodlebug Designs. This is the sticker sheet, and I did use quite a few of the stickers. As for the paper, I have 1 full sheet left and then some bits. And then this, I don't even know for sure if this paper came in with it, and same with this because these are specialty and they're single-sided. I think I might have just had them in my stash. But anyway, I just have this one big piece of double-sided paper left, and I have some scraps, not that many, and then there were some other sticker sheets in here, these mini icons. I used quite a few off this one sheet, even though there's 2 sheets in there. I used some off of here. I did use some of the cut aparts in the pack, and then I also used, I finished up, there were only 2 on here, mini doodle pops. There were cardstock sticker flowers. There were 2 fairly big jellish mints by Doodlebug Designs, and there were, I'm going to go with 2 Cupcake Blossoms brads left on here. So I finished those, which is yay. I did use one of these tokens. I don't think I used any of these clips yet, and I did use 1 blue flower from here. I didn't use the yellow one this time. So I used quite a bit out of that, but then also I used some of this Dollar Tree Baker's Twine I've had in my stash for a while. I did use some of this paper tape, which was from Target a couple years ago. I'm pretty sure like 2017 or something. I used some of this ribbon that I apparently got as a thank you from PNW Crafts. I don't even remember what I bought there, but it's spring ribbon. I used a couple, I think 2 retired Stampin' Up! Pearlized doilies. I used a little bit of this washi tape from Dollar Tree. It looks like this. Has flowers and stuff on it. And then I used some of these 3 washi tapes as well. On one of them I used these 3 washi tapes here for Easter. I forget I have this stuff. And then I have this huge bin of bling, and I did use some yellow and some blue. I didn't use the pink out of here because I have a jar that has pink in it. Yes, I do. And then I also have pink and purple and green butterfly blings. So I used some of them. I used some of this Celebrate It trim. And some of this white floral trim from Offray. I love this, but I am trying to use stuff up so that I can get rid of it. And I did use some of these spring adhesive trims. These were from Michael's back in the day when they had their $1, I guess it was $1.50 bins. They might have been on sale. And I think think I was going to use this, but I can't remember if I did. I might have used a little bit of this trim too. I'm not positive about that. I did use the Small Blooms Punch by Stampin' Up! 152316. And I did use the dies from the Snailed It collection. I used the little envelope 3 times and the little stitched piece that goes in it. I was going to use the frame and I forgot about it. Oopsie. That's from the Snailed It collection. That is adorable and looks like this from Stampin' Up. I'm going to try and use that on Tuesday along with some other things, Wednesday in my lives. So if I see anything else as we go, I'll let you know. So let me show you my pocket letters. I will say they're not entirely finished, as in I didn't do the backs yet and I didn't do the edges yet. I'm going to turn this light down because it's too glary. So if it's a little dark, I apologize, but I just don't want it to be too glary. And I'm not going to go over every single detail. Oh, these were the last 2 of these flowers I had in I had a little bag of, this little bag of stuff, and these 2 flowers were in there. And so I finished them up. They were gifted to me. Here's the little envelope. Each of them has a little envelope on this upper left corner. That's sort of my signature. This is washi washi. These are stickers. This is stickers from the collection. The hello is a sticker. Here's a butterfly. This is washi washi. This one I didn't really do anything to because I just thought it was pretty. It's like the back of it is this paper, and I just like this side. It's like one of those cut aparts, but I thought it was cute. And here is some of that trim. This is the back of one of the papers, and then I had this foam sticker heart here. I might end up putting a window sheet over that and putting some sequins in there. I'm not sure yet. This one I used a little bit. I cut this in half. Used a little bit of that trim. Sticker, sticker, sticker. This is a cut apart. And then these are green blings. They're out of here. I think in here there's blue and light green. So I used the light green on it for something different. This actually was a sticker tag. And all I did was use some of the Dollar Tree twine, put a bow there, and then 3 of the pink blings. Here's the other half of that. This is a sticker. Here's another piece of well, you don't see it on here, but there's a sheet that's green with sparklies on. You'll see it in the next one. And then this was a sticker, but it had these little holes, so I wrapped the twine around it, and the back of this green piece, taped it down, and bumped this up on dimensionals, but taped the green piece down. And then over here is just another piece of that paper here to edge this. A sticker. Here's the Small Bloom Punch. A sticker that says Spring Flowers, and 3 more pink blings. So that is my first one, more geared towards spring and flowers. Alright, so the next one, and I haven't done anything on the back yet. You can see this, which paper is that? This paper here is not double-sided, which is kind of unusual because all the rest of these are, except for this specialty paper. So I don't know, maybe that one really didn't go in the collection and I bought it separate. I'm not sure, but it was in the pack. So this one's more Easter, obviously. I have a bunny up here instead and a little chickie sequin. This is that sparkly paper. And then a different cloud. This one has hearts and stuff in it, and this one has silver on it. And then this is actually a cut apart instead of the green washi. Here's some of that ribbon I got free. This is a sticker, again with the Dollar Tree twine. And then these are stickers here also. And then the bling out of here. And I put those down, excuse me, down with Stampin' Up! Mini glue dots. I did use a hot glue gun to put this particular trim on. Some of the other ones I actually was able to just use art glitter glue. This heart is from the Heart Punch Duo by Stampin' Up. It's a scalloped edge one. I actually already had that cut, I think, out of Mango Melody. This is a sticker. This was one of the strip cut aparts, and I just fussy cut the little ladybug out and put it on there. I thought that was cute. Here, this is a cloud scene. This is washi. This was a sticker with a little birdie on. And then two more of the butterflies. Excuse me. So, yeah, two more of the butterflies. And that's all I did on that one. And then over here, this was a sort of a teal with white clouds drawn on it. And I just put some of the floral trim, a Happy Easter sticker, a puffy bunny that had been gifted to me, a small bloom flower punched out of this specialty paper, and then these are sort of a yellowish golden color that I thought went well and popped on that color. Here on the orange, excuse me, I have another strip of that specialty paper, and hang on. And this is a white circle from with using Stampin' Up's 1.5-inch circle punch. Somebody, I think, had gifted me these carrot. They're dimensional foams, but they had a sticker thing on the back. And this was one of the Doodle Pop cardstock stickers. Excuse me. I'm so sorry. And then the bottom row on this one is all about the egg hunt. So we have eggs, egg washi from Recollections, and this is also Recollections washi going on a diagonal with the two bunnies and Happy Easter. These are actually sequins, and this is a word sticker, and this is another foam sticker that I either bought somewhere a couple years ago or it was gifted to me. And then this has the pink Target scalloped washi on bottom and top, and then these are also sequins, and they're put down with Stampin' Up's mini dimensionals. And again, I haven't done anything with the back yet. And the last one I have for now is Back to Spring. So this is that textured paper. I used a sticker border, same little envelope, a light pink butterfly instead of a dark pink like on the first one. So they're all similar in some ways but different. So I have two spring and two Easter. This is washi and washi again. Sticker. This is like the heavier stickers with the collection. These were from a different sheet. These were, hang on, from these mini icons, Doodlebug designs, these two. This was off the collection sticker, and then this is a brad that I still have some left on, and the gems were coming off, so they're popped on with mini glue dots also. Again, on the orange piece, I took this actually was a cut apart strip, not a scrap. And I just laid it on there and cut it. This is a sticker off of this pack. It was down here. This is one of those jellies. You can see it's a little dimensional. And I punched out a circle in Mango Melody by Stampin' Up because I thought the color went well. And just put that down in the middle. And then these are both stickers off this mini icon sheet that is called Spring Things, so I think it goes with it too. This is a cut apart. This is one of those tokens, and this is a sticker from the collection. I didn't really do too much with that because it was pretty busy. Glued some trim here. This little scooter was a cut apart. This was, I think, the last flower in a Doodle Pop stickers, cardstock stickers. And then this is a sticker, and I put it on the outside, not on the actual thing inside. And it just says Good Times. And then here's more of that Michael's sticky pearl stuff. This is a sticker, and I just added 3 blings in the center of the flowers. And this is a cut apart of the grass. Down here, this has flowers and those little ladybugs, I guess. This was another one of the brads. I think it was the last pink one I had, but before I did that, I put the Target sticky washi tape on again. I did put one of the little sticker bugs and then use the small bloom punch by Stampin' Up! And just put 2 pink bling on because there was already a pink bling on this brad. Here's where I used a white doily by Stampin' Up! It's Retired. This is pink polka dotted paper. I just put this flowers tab on and hot glued this trim down. And this is the last one of the jelly things that I had. And I thought that went well because it's got flowers. And then this one is Easter. It's the last sticker I think in that collection I had that said Easter. And sweet little stickers out of the ones I just showed you. This I think I had gotten in a pack from Tuesday morning. Yes, I know I had a couple years ago because they're closed in my area now. And a little heart sticker on top, the stitching. So that's it. I have 3 pocket letters. I still am not finished with that collection, and I have another collection, but I am refusing. This had already been dug into, but I'm refusing to use this one, which has ephemera in it. It's a Lori Whitlock, oh gosh, Echo Park, and it's called Celebrate Easter. So that one's going to be in my stash for next year to finish it, because I still want to work with this collection and try and use up more. So my thing this time was the collection, as well as I pulled out this basket of goodies, all kinds of different stuff that are Easter related, and I didn't use that many of them, so I still need to do more. Yeah, and I have some ideas for that, but at least I made some progress, and I kind of was working towards the swap too, which I'm not done with yet because I still have to do something for the edges, and I have to fill the backs because you can't do a pocket letter and not send anything in it or with it, right? So I hope you enjoyed that. Happy spring soon, yay. Happy Easter soon. And please go check everyone else out, including Beth and Teresa, who are our hosts, and thank you for hosting this. And I can't remember what we're doing next month, so come back next month on the 7th and see. Talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.